Alright, here we go. We are on our way right now to the restaurant. We are not quite there yet. We are almost to the exit. Here we are enjoying this beautiful road. I mean, awesome.
It looks like a zebra.
It looks like a zebra. Yes, we have zebra roads here in the state of Tennessee.
Pothole zebras.
Pothole zebras. Alright. So we are getting off the exit and we are going to go eat some Chinese food.
Because what is Sarah's favorite food?
Chinese.
Chinese.
I thought Shoney's was.
Oh no, Sarah's favorite has always been Chinese. What are you doing?
Unless there was a crab cake restaurant.
Yeah, she likes seafood as well. Which may be another reason why she likes Chinese, is because it incorporates seafood.
Alright. We'll check in later.
It almost looks like a castle from here.
Yeah.
You can also see some of the towers at Splash Country from here.
Welcome to Dolly. Everything Dolly purchased. Big! I know! There for my birthday?
Alright, see if you can get video of the front gate.
Dolly, we're DreamMore!
Right there.
Sign! Load! Did you get it? Yeah. Kinda. Perfect. Did you get the water?
Is that Splash Country right there?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That looks fun.
I don't know what that is.
That looks fun though. It's a giant water slide. At least I think that's what it is. It's not a water slide.
There's a place where butterflies soar. Just steps to song and imagination. Where beauty of the Smoky Mountains will warm your spirit to find God's gift, to celebrate the dreamer in you. We just arrived and they're unloading the car for us and gonna take the luggage to our room. That's awesome. So we just finished parking, or I just finished parking. Cool thing is Matt and the kids were able to go ahead and go in. Here's the resort. But since we didn't do valet parking, one of us had to park. Oh my goodness, I smell coffee.
It was a pink lemonade. Here, try.
Do you see the picture? Check out this little living room area. Oh, is that check-in?
Yes.
Let's go check in. So we're on the 3rd floor. We're gonna head towards our room to check out this hallway. Butterflies. So I'm in the room. I just got done with the room tour. I'm gonna go down and get Matt and the girls, let them know that our swimsuits are up here, because I've forgotten that we sent them up. Get them changed, and I'm gonna show Sarah her first birthday surprise for this day. What'd you do, get rid of them? Did they try the checkers? Hey girls, wanna go check out the room and get dressed for swimming? You beat her, didn't you? It's our key to the DreamMore resort. Are you ready? 318, tap it. Open it. Go explore. Yep, it's bunk beds. Wait, what did you see, Sarah? What did you find in our resort room? That is a Moana cake. Did you see all the characters on it? I'm gonna take this card now.
Oh look, there's her grandmother in the back. And there's Pooh, and there's Moana on the top. And there's the lava monster. And there's the bad guy.
Do you like your cake?
I love my cake.
Can you look here and say thank you?
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Our first surprise for Sarah was she has a Moana cake. She's always wanted a Moana cake, but we don't do birthday parties when we do experiences, and the cake was donated to us. I will link all of her stuff in the description below to her Facebook page. But thank you again for the cake. It was awesome. We haven't tried it yet, but it looks awesome, and all the characters on it, it just like blew our mind. Yeah, you know how they said that it wasn't guaranteed? Guess what we got?
We got a refrigerator.
What's that?
That is the door to somebody else's suite if we had booked 2 conjoining suites, so do not open that door.
What?
But yeah, we got a fridge. Guess what's in that fridge? Your drinks.
Sweet.
Oh, check this out. Did you see the bathroom?
Where do I put my shoes?
You know how we've always said Disney's the only place we've ever gone to a resort with the toilets in a separate room? Go check out the bathroom.
Nice.
Right? Just a second. But yeah, the kids on the bunk bed have their own TV, and then we can have our own TV.
There's hand grabbing.
There are hand grabbies. Go ahead and fall down in bed. But there's one in the kitchen.
Mommy, look. Look, Mommy.
Do you like it?
I could sleep here forever.
Do you like it? Is this the best birthday surprise ever?
This is the best birthday surprise ever.
How would you like to get dressed in your mermaid swimsuit and go check out the outdoor pool and splash pad? Hey Sarah, come here. I need to show you something. You see them like casually trying to sneak behind me? Okay, Sarah, let's talk. So the cake was your first birthday surprise about this trip.
First one?
Would you like to know what your second birthday surprise about this trip is and why Mommy and Daddy had to go downstairs?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Daddy. Show Sarah one of the features of staying at DreamMore Resort.
Turn. You.
Me?
Yeah, you. Camera.
Do you know what that is?
It's a TV.
Read it.
It's a time saver pass.
For free with our resort. They are going to take us straight from the hotel front door tomorrow, straight to the park. And if you all want to, I know you're kind of scared of the roller coaster, but at 8:30 we leave this resort, go straight to Dollywood, and go straight on the Thunderhead roller coaster with no wait. And once we get done with it, the park doesn't open till 10 o'clock. We can explore the park until it opens at 10 o'clock. Once it opens at 10 free fast pass or time savers. It came with our stay for free. So anytime we stay
Wait,
here.
is that the ultimate pass or is it just the coaster pass?
It's the 10 pass. We get 10 rides or shows.
Let me see.
So
These are the rides that are available on it.
stop,
It's Barnstormer, Dizzy Disc,
River Rampage.
Mystery Mine, Skyrider,
We could ride River Rampage before we leave tomorrow and with
Fire
no
Chaser
wait.
Express, Tennessee Tornado, Thunderhead, the Waltzing Swinger, Wild Eagle, Dropline, or Lightning Rod.
I'm thinking about riding the Wild Eagle.
We could ride it with no wait.
Or minimal.
Minimal to no wait.
Let's go to the pool.
Let's go to the pool.
Hi.
That's cool.
Hello. Hello,
little
treasure
case.
chest.
That is cool. I love the way that's designed.
Oh.
Your ID is required. Oh, for poolside service.
Yeah.
All right, open.
I want to go get the pool. Oh, yeah.
I love how it's soft though. It's not like hard, right?
This is a little
Okay. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is on the wall. Do it. Tail fell up or flew up. Rebecca, come on.
You can stay with me.
Rebecca, touch the waterfall. Touch the waterfall. Touch it. And another one. Isn't that awesome? You like the flashback? I figured you would. Go. Don't run into little people. Littler people. You can do it. Is that better?
I need deeper water. Morello, can you carry me to the deeper water where my feet don't touch
If you don't think the pool is heated, go step outside of it for a minute. I was cold with her playing.
Do you see Madeline?
She was at the waterfall. Hi, Rebecca. Is she hugging your head?
Don't move. Don't move.
Hi, Madeline.
Don't move.
What you think?
Awesome.
Say it again.
Awesome.
That very word.
What you think?
No help whatsoever.
What you think of the pool?
Wait, is it all the way over?
No, just what do you think though so far?
I want to come out and then go back in and then float on the back. Ikson.
You want me to let you go?
You're doing better. Just stay another 5 feet though, okay? Look. happy?
I am happy.
Best birthday ever.
Best birthday ever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Hi. There's the strap. Oh, I'm gonna sit back up. But oh, this is so comfy. I want to stay here. So the girls are all about half asleep. They were watching Disney XD. They actually have Disney XD in the room. I've never seen Disney XD available in the room. They're about half asleep. Right now they're watching Animal Planet though, because the show came on Disney XD. They were kind of about so. But they're watching Tanked. Yeah, they're watching Tanked right now. We've all had showers. Look outside. I just love it because like it's in Pigeon Forge, but we're not super crowded or busy. It's not super crowded or busy. It's just like there's that one Burger King there that I didn't even know was there. There's now a Burger King and a Subway over by Dollywood that I did not know was there. Oh, but tomorrow morning we get on the bus at 8:30 to go to the park. And one of the benefits of staying here on a Friday night is if you go to the park on Saturday. If you're staying here on Friday and going to the park on Saturday, they have different rides and areas that are open to just the resort stayers. And so we get on at 8:30 and we get to go on Thunderhead before the park opens. So pretty cool. And I'm gonna probably go around and maybe take some more video and pictures of the resort in the morning before we head out. So we're all heading to bed. But somebody said she had an awesome birthday surprise today. Did you have an awesome birthday surprise?
This was one of the best days of my life.
Oh, can you tell everybody thanks for watching?
Thank you for watching. Bye.